I'm here with the award-winning HISENSE U7N Mini LED TV, and today we're going to take a look at the TV tech and the AI that are making this TV one to watch. Mini LED Pro technology gives you accurate colors, contrast, and incredible brightness as it combines thousands of tiny LEDs into hundreds of dimming zones. And with those smaller LEDs, you get loads more detail. It also has a 144Hz panel technology that keeps up with fast-paced action and improved Mini LED HDR 1500 that make every color in your movies and shows really stand out. Plus, this TV comes with a 5-year warranty, giving you that extra peace of mind. Now, let's find out how AI makes everything look better. HiView Engine Pro features AI software that enhances resolution, brightness, contrast, and color, fine-tuning each frame no matter what you're watching. This pairs with something called Dynamic Tone Mapping Pro, which analyzes each frame and adjusts it to increase contrast, depth, and clarity in real time. The difference is clear. With so many streaming platforms, apps, and channels, it's hard to know what to watch. Freely puts everything in one place. You just need to press one button on your remote and you're ready to find your next binge watch. And the remote control can be charged using the solar panel and only requires ambient lighting to do so. Plus, you can stream live TV through your internet without the need for an aerial. It also has a powerful 2.1 surround sound setup with a punchy subwoofer. This helps to amplify Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X, putting you right in the middle of the action. If you'd like to find out more info about this TV, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.